trying to scope out the best way to get to this guy and dive down it. There's so many trees and lower buildings around it, it's really hard. So, of course, I've come to the tallest building in Indianapolis. We're gonna try it. Alright, let's do this. I've never done a big building. I've done little things and some power towers, but I've never come downtown. I'm a little nervous about it because sometimes you never know. Like, some people may really freak out. I didn't know if I'd have good signal or not. So far, so good with signal. Made it. I'm really careful with the signal. A little blocky. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Ah, yes. Whew. Ah, I was gonna try this one too. How much battery left? Oh, wind, a little windier. I think I got enough battery to do one. Let's do this one. It's pretty cool with the sky like that. Ooh. I'm trying to get closer. Nice. Nice one. Yeah. Ooh, that was wow. My heart's still pounding. My hands are shaking a little bit. But I did it. That was awesome. Let's try backwards dive. It's like a little trough here. Pretty close. Yeah. Oh! Almost hit it building there. There you go. That was good. That looks like I asked that couple standing there if they could spot me. They were like, yeah, no problem. Let's do the big one again. I really want to try to get in this trough type of thing more. It's hard. It's really hard to get that close to the building. How far can I push it before I lose signal? It's getting blocky. Really blocky. Oh, the wind kicks you out right away. Oh no. Yeah. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Oh my gosh. Just barely filled that out. Wow. Okay. Alright, number 4, here we go. Oh, pretty close call on our last pack. Trying to do a trick at the top. No, bad signal. Bad signal. How do I get in the gap? It's so hard to fit. It's like you get pushed away from the building there. Let's try this side. Battery's almost dead. Corner. Ooh. Yeah, there. Ooh. Nice. That's what I wanted. That felt good. A wall ride. Rooftop. That's fun. Yes. I didn't think I had the balls to do it, but I did it 3 times. My heart's still pounding. My hands are shaking a little bit. But I did it. That was awesome.